Finally, GLO user can now buy 10 gigabytes of data for just 2,000 naira, just like MTN and Airtel. And the most important thing about this is that you can buy this data with your airtime, unlike your MTN that you must pay directly with your bank card or your Momo app, because it's frustrating when you have a lot of airtime but you cannot use it to buy data. So for you to get your 10 gigabytes of data from GLO with just 2,000 naira, what you first need is go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending on the type of phone you are using. Then you download this app to your phone. So the next thing is for you to install the app on your phone. I've already installed it on my phone, so I'm just going to click on open to open the app and log in directly into the app. After registering and you log in, this is how the interface of the app look like. Now to get 10 gigabytes of data for just 2,000 on the app, you scroll down, then you click on products, then you click on data service to bring it to this interface. Then you click on new GLO special bundle. Click on new GLO special bundle to bring it to this interface. To get your 10 gigabytes of data for just 2,000 naira on GLO, you click on, you select this option. With 2,000 you can get 10 gigabytes of data. This will be valid for 7 days. So to buy this data, you select this option, then you click on, you can buy with your airtime or you can buy with your bank card or pay directly with your bank. So for example, if you select your airtime, so they will ask you, are you sure you want to subscribe? Then you say yes. Once you say yes, if you have the enough sufficient airtime on your phone, it will automatically go and they will debit your airtime and give you the data. But currently I do not have a sufficient airtime, that's why it's showing that. So you can also use your bank to also do that. This I can be able to get 10 gigabytes of data for 2,000 naira on GLO. You can also use this app to also get cheap data for other plan. But before we continue, just take a moment and then hit that like button. Also drop a nice comment on the comment section. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, do it to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So let's get back to the video. With this option, with 500 I can be able to get 2 gigabytes of data. This data will be valid for 2 days. Now other option I can also use to get cheap data, if you come back, then you go to always on, select always on to bring you to this interface. You have different options that I can use to get cheap data with this app. The first one that I mostly use is this option. With this option, with 7,000 I can be able to get 45 gigabytes of data. This will be valid for 30 days. Now what they're going to be giving to you every day on this app is that every day they're going to be giving you 1.5 gigabytes of data that you can use to browse the internet. So for the next 30 days they're going to spread you 45 gigabytes of data that you can use. Then the next option also used in this session is you come to 5,000 always on. So with this option, with 5,000 I can be able to get 30 gigabytes of data. If you are going for this option, 1 gigabyte of data is less than 200 naira. Now they are going to be spreading this 30 gigabytes of data for the 30 days, which means every day they are going to be giving you 1 gigabyte of data that you can use to browse the internet every day, then for the next 30 days. So this is another good option to get data with this app. Now that option I also use this. If you come back, then you come to campus booster. If you click on campus booster, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now the first option that I also use in this session is you come to 5,000 naira campus booster 30 days data plan. Now with this option, with 5,000 I can be able to get 30 gigabytes of data, including 3 gigabytes of data for 9 browsing. If you are going for this option, 1 gigabyte of data is also less than 200 naira, and this data will last for 30 days. So this is another good option that I can use to get data with this app. Another option that I can use to get data with this app, if you come back, then click on night plan. So the night plan is for those that like to, if you want to do work in the night, you can use this night plan to get data that I can use for night browsing, and you can make use of this plan from 12 a.m. in the night to 5 a.m. in the night. The next option I can use to get data with this app is the mega plan. So the mega plan is for heavy data user, or if you use data to run your daily activities or to run your business, you can use this mega plan. If you click on this, it will bring you to this different plan. So you have 30 days plan, you have 60 days plan, 90 days plan, and you have 1 year plan. So depending on what you want to go for. Now the first option that is available here, with 25,000 I can be able to get 135 gigabytes of data. This will be valid for 30 days. The second option, with 30,000 I can be able to get 165 gigabytes of data. This will be valid for 30 days also. Then the third option, with 40,000 I can be able to get 220 gigabytes of data. This will be valid for 30 days also. And the fifth option, with 50,000 I can be able to get 310 gigabytes of data. It will be valid for 60 days, that is 2 months. So if you want to do a data that will last for 2 months, you can use this option. The next option, with 60,000 I can be able to get 355 gigabytes of data. It will be valid for 90 days, that is 3 months. Then the next option, with 75,000 I can be able to get 475 gigabytes of data. It will be valid for 90 days, that is 3 months also. Then the last option, with 150 can be able to get 1000 gigabytes of data, that is 1 terabyte. It will be valid for 365 days. So let's say we are going for this 1 year plan, which is 150 for 1000 gigabytes of data, 1 terabyte. So let's do a little calculation to know how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost if you are going for this option. 150 divided by 1000. So 1 gigabyte of data will just cost you 150 if you are going for this option, and this data will last you for 1 year. So you can use any of these options to get cheap data that you can use for your GLO line. So this is how you can be able to get cheap data from GLO that you can use to do your browsing. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and so drop your comment at the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods you can work from home and make passive income online. If you are interested, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you want to learn how to get it at a very cheap price from other networks like Airtel and other network, you can watch the video that's showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.